Alright, hi guys, Nuno and Roman. I hope you guys are doing well. Making a very small video to show you how to insert audio. That is one way of doing things, and I'll show you the others as well. Very simply put, if you have Microsoft PowerPoint, all you need to do is go, let me show you, let's say you created a new file, and blah blah blah, or let's say your file has been created, and this is your slide, or right over here, okay? You go into this tab over here, right here. It's called Insert. And all the way to the right there is going to be Media. In Media, there's the audio file. Now when you click on audio, you can record the audio yourself as well. And of course you can rename it if you want. Doesn't really matter that much. But once you're done recording, let's say I'll take a sample here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So look here, the total sound length is also increasing right over here to 7, 8, 9, and let's give it a 10 seconds mark. Okay. Now the file is right here now. It's been highlighted with the speaker logo, and you can see these lines out there indicate that this has been recorded. Well, you can drag it anywhere you want and put it in the corner so it doesn't look so, mesmerizing to the students. They might get very excited. Ooh, we have a sound file. Anyways, once it's here, you can continue to the next slide. So I'll just click next slide or Control M to make another slide. And then I'll do the same feature, another sound file. And what do you call it? Bingo. And I'll click outside of the box or anywhere, it doesn't matter. And I'll go back into Insert and click on Audio. Go to Record Audio. That's important. You can also pick up audios on your own PC if you've recorded them separately. It's up to you how you want to do it. You want to record beforehand, you want to record afterhand. So if you do this again, the magic comes back again, and it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, get your women on the floor. Okay, you can stop as well and then continue recording from that part onwards. And okay, gotta get up and get down. So it's gonna probably record all over it. So it's best to first record yourself audio wise, and then you can add it as well, which is a better feature. If you have Windows 10, let's say, there is what do you call it, an audio recorder right over here. It's a default one. If you don't have it, you can download it for free as well from the Windows Store. So just in case, I'm going to type it out so I tell you what it looks like. Audio recorder, trusted Microsoft Store application. You can open it. All it does is simply record your files. Okay, welcome, thank you for downloading audio recorder, blah blah blah, and have fun. Okay, now you can click start recording, and if you have to click here, it'll start recording your voice. The problem with my computer is there's a lot of buzzing, so that's why you can see, even though I'm not saying anything, there's still like volume being captured. Okay, then you can pause, and you can fish this out. Let's say today is the 3rd September, and it was 2 o'clock and 8 p.m. and 23 seconds. And if I click this, it'll come back. I can copy paste this, name the project or whatever. Sorry, not copy, name the file. I'll call it Baber test. Save. Now when it asks me to save, let's say I'll create a new document right here on my desktop, where everyone does. Okay, I'm calling it Baber recording audio, and I'll save it here. Select folder. Done. Now your file has been saved successfully. Okay, why don't we go back to PowerPoint, and let me add another file. Adding an audio clip from a folder. Bob's your man. I don't know why I wrote that. Anyways, let's go back to Insert again. When you're in the Insert tab, all the way on the right, there's audio. Just like the first option is audio on my PC. Now your File Explorer opens up, and we had saved it on the desktop. Let's go to the desktop part. I'll just increase the size because maybe visually it's not that appealing. And I put it in Baber's audio recording. Go there. Baber test was the file's name. Sorry, it wasn't the file's name. I made a folder to save it there. And this was the latest file. Right at the bottom, 2018-09.03, which indicates the date and the time. It was 2:08 and 23 seconds. So I'm going to insert this. There we go. I'm just going to listen to it myself. I'm on speaker, not on speaker. I'm on a microphone and a headset, but I'll just verify myself it is correct. Yeah, it's the one. Bingo. Perfect. So this is some of the ways you can record yourself. However, there are other options as well, such as volume control, high, low, medium, and then you can do a fade in and fade out. You can trim the audio and all those things. These are once you hide. Sorry, let me just unpin this. And oh, I can't move it. Great. There we go. Play in background, hard intro, play cross sides. Okay, so these are the options when you click. Let's say if I click here, I don't get these options, but if I click on the speaker, audio tools open up and playback opens up, and another one called format. We don't need the format part. We go to playback. You can even add music if you want. It can play in the background, and it can loop itself in sequence as well. But these are advanced things. I don't want to do them right now. However, let's go into another features. When I was doing recording, if you go back to this on top of the ribbon right here, there's review, view, and recording. You can record your slideshow directly if you feel much more confident. In that sense, let me, what do you call it, show you. I'll make 3 separate slides. In fact, no, I won't make 3 separate slides. I'll make a new file. New, make it a different type. Let's use this one. It's more colorful. Purple for mysteriousness. And create. Okay. Banana Rama. It was a great band on this time. Anyway, so next slide. They were cool, but not as cool as you. It's just to show you how his recording's done. So now I'm going to go back to the tab up here, which was recording. And if I don't want to add audio files, maybe I want to do something more extempore, and I want to speak just from the heart, I can go to record slideshow. And you can do from the current slide or from the beginning. Let's do from the beginning, which is easier. And you see this sort of section opens up. Okay, and it's very simple. Record, stop, replay. You can even add your notes, just like, or not your notes. The notes actually go at the bottom of the slide. I'll show you later. Let me actually stop this. I'll close it from here. And let me see notes right here. Potato. Okay, and over here I'll put tomato. Actually, it's just written the same way. Okay, so let's go back to slide recording and show you what that option looks like. So now you put notes, they show up right here. But this is for the students or for yourself. Doesn't make much difference. And then we can just click start recording. 3, 2, 1, boom. And then you record your voice over it, and that's just fine. And you can even pause, and then you commence again. It will start from the same place, and then we can go to the next slide, and then we can continue recording. And if you need to highlight anything, let's say we can take the red color pen marker. This is a pen, this is a highlighter. So I can say, click the pen. Sorry. Oh, I went ahead. Sorry, my bad. I click the highlighter and I can highlight stuff like this, or I can use this when I'm doing presentations. It's better if you have a stylus. You can even turn on your webcam. Let me turn on my camera. I don't know how good I look right now. Am I showing up? Nope. That's odd. Turn camera. Oh, there I am. Hi guys. Yeah, I hope you can see me. And turn camera off. Perfect. So I'm going to stop this. I think it's already done. Okay. So these were some of the options that you can use. I think these are the easiest ones. Okay, so once we're done recording, all you have to do is, let's say, well, I'll show you from my point of view. Once you're done recording, you can then export it to a video format. Okay, so let's do this. Now here's the dealio. Since we're dealing with the internet and we have to upload We don't have to do full HD. We can go for HD itself is fine because it's PowerPoint presentations and if the words are big enough. But it's up to you. You can make it twice just to see. So I'll use this, and we will be using recorded trimmings and narration. We don't use this. Don't use record timings and narration. We don't use this. We will use our own slide without timings. We'll use the default duration set below. This option will go, okay, also I use the default duration set below. No, so we'll use this, and then we create the video. Okay, you can name it whatever. I'm gonna put it in, let's say, on the desktop in a new folder, and let me call it video for YouTube. Enter, and then I'm gonna save. This is the part where it's going to be a little difficult for maybe some of you guys. If the file is way bigger, if it's like a 1-hour presentation, it's going to take a long time to be converted. So it's saying over here, creating video bananarama.mp4 format. Now that's been created. Now if you have your own Gmail account, you can log into YouTube. So let me go to my YouTube. Okay, my YouTube looks a little different, so please don't judge me. Okay, so now I'm here. I'm signed in. Baber Mirza. Okay. You can make your own account for PSB. I think we'll make a shared account. It's as you want. Doesn't really make a difference. But let's say we come here. Let me increase the size. There's a camera sign over here that looks at a video camera with a plus sign in it. So I'm going to click here and upload video. So when I click on upload video, I have to select the files to upload and make it public, unlisted, private, or schedule. Now, I believe it's better to make it public. If you make it private or unlisted or schedule, it causes complication right now. Let's just go with public, and then anyone who can see it. We can turn commentary off if you want. So that doesn't make a difference. So I'm going to make it public. The video has been saved. So I'm going to select the file to upload. I put it on desktop in this folder, video for YouTube. Bananarama mp.4 open. Now it's uploading. It's won't take that long because it's a very small file, and I'll just name this testing description just to test, and I can add tags if I want. I can make it public or private. I think for now I'll make it private. Okay. Do minors appear in this video? No. We can add thumbnails or custom thumbnails. That's I'll show you that later. We don't need to do translations. Original language is English. We'll keep it that. Select a language to translate. We can add languages if you want, but I'd rather not. Advanced settings. Allow comments. I'm going to turn this off for now. You can turn it on, but it's for your students if they need to comment, but who cares, right? At the moment, category education, video language English. Okay, and users can view ratings for this video. I'm going to turn this off because we don't need this. Standard YouTube license, we keep this over here. Recording date today. Video statistics, no need for this. Caption certification, select one. We don't need one. Allow embedding, yes. Leave this published to subscription feeds and notify subscribers, yes. Leave this. Age restriction, no need for this. Okay, we're done. It says processing has been done. So I'm going to click done over here. Your video is now ready. This is the link, okay? So we can copy paste this link and we can add it to our Moodle. I forgot what it was. I bookmarked it. Wait, I didn't bookmark it here. Nice going, Baber. No, I did. Economic, wow. Help about us getting customized Firefox. I do remember bookmarking it. And equal to, yeah, there it is. So this is our Moodle. I'm logging into mine. He got my name wrong, Baber. Well, I won't hate him for it. So I'm gonna go here, and let's say I'm gonna edit this part, which is the Moodle part. So go down to navigation, turn editing on. And I'm going to simply, for the session 1, I'm going to add a resource such as assignment, chat, choice, database, forum, glossary, lesson, quiz, survey, wiki, file, folder, URL right at the bottom here. Bingo. Add. Name, testing, banana. Description, it's just a banana file. Now comes the URL part. External URL. So I have copied this and I will, place it right here. And we don't need the appearance part. It doesn't matter. We don't need this, and we don't need nothing for this. We've done it. Save and display. Now it's just a banana file. I'm going to turn off editing. Oh, I think editing is off actually. I'll go back to my dashboard. I'll go to my course and I'll turn editing off. So this is what it looks like. So we're in session 1. This is the name that I gave it, testing banana. If I click it, it'll take me to the outside, to the YouTube and external. And there's my file. And I can't add any sort of comments, and I can play the file over and over again. Gentlemen, I hope this is easy. If there's anything you guys need, let me know, okay? I have no worries in helping you out over and over again, and I will stop the file here. Bingo.